everyone, welcome you all for this Power BI series. In this particular video, I'm going to explain you how to create a scatter plot. So to create a scatter plot, we just need, two numerical columns. Let's say, for example, I want to see like how data is scattered. Like I want to understand how data is distributed with respect to profit or sales. And also I want to know which subcategory is giving you the higher sales. So for that, what I do, I'll just go for the scatter plot. I'll go to a scatter plot and I'll just select, sales and a profit. As I told, we need two numerical values, sales and a profit. Select sales, select profit. So you got a single dot, right? That's representing the total sales and total profit. What if I want to know this particular sales and profit with respect to different subcategories? So I'll just select a subcategory. You can see different circles scattered, right? You can see how sales and profit is varying with respect to different subcategories. So now let's say, for example, I want a different colors. I'll just drag subcategory into our legend. We got our different colors. Now, what if I want a different size for our bubbles? So for this, you just need to drag a sales into our size. Okay, it will just give you bubble size according to our sales. So from this, you can interpret which particular subcategory is giving you the higher sales. So what you can do for this, go to our format and just go to our data labels, I guess. Just on categorical labels, it shows you like which category it is. And also just go to this categorical label. Just increase the font. So clearly chairs and phones is giving higher sales compared to other subcategories, right? And which is giving a very less. So this particular thing, and that is basically fasteners. Yeah, fasteners is giving very less profit. So this is how we create a scatter plot in order to visualize, in order to understand which particular category is giving you the highest sales or highest profit. So instead of dragging a profit, instead of dragging sales into this particular size, you can also drag a profit. What if you want to know things with respect to a profit? You can just drag profit into that size so that you can see whichever has got a bigger bubble that represents that particular subcategory is giving the highest profit. So clearly copiers is giving highest profit compared to all other subcategories because it has got the biggest bubble, right? Yeah. So this is all about scatter plot that I wanted to discuss. I hope it's clear. And also you can do formatting, you can change colors. A lot of things could be done with the help of this format your visual. Thank you. Happy learning.